Hi there, my name is Alex. I'm the head brewer of TonsenBrew. We're a little small production brewery in the heart of Bern, the capital of Switzerland. We use Tonsen now since 5 years. It all started with Fermenters and went up to brewhouse, CIP equipment and even keg cleaning and filling equipment. I'm really happy to use Tonsen. I can really recommend it. The quality is awesome. The customer support is really nice. They reply like in 1 or 2 days. Even the spare parts, they get really fast to you. The help is there. All you need to make great beer. I can really recommend it and I hope you try it out. For me, it's one of the best. When the best company in brewing equipment production for smaller and even bigger breweries. They love to spend not that much on a name brand, but further on quality and great stuff. And the people behind it are awesome as well. I love Tonsen.